Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open sounds and vibration, and here just go to ringtone tab. Pick whichever SIM card you would like to add this ringtone to, and let's start with silent, which is obviously silent, and then 80s phone is the first possibility. And that's it. These are all ringtones that you can use. Just pick the one that you like the most and then smoothly go back. As you can see, the ringtone has been changed. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily change ringtone on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.